Construction update, May 5th, 2017. Here we are in the JSL gift shop, adjacent to the Leo's Deli. We've got a pretty big facelift going on in here. We have new solid surfaces, some new lights. You can see the glass tile backdrop, new flooring. We're just about ready to clean up, put our final touches on, and have the architect walk through to do our final punch list. But this isn't the only thing going on in the tower today. We've got the renovations to the main entrance. We've got a bathing suite on the 4th floor and a new entrance that needs to go up here in the next several weeks. Let's go have a look. The construction work going on at the main entrance has been a source of entertainment for the entire tower so far. Quite often we see residents, visitors, and staff taking their breaks or sitting here watching as Woodstone Earth rips up the new pavement, installs new infrastructure, and gets ready for the new paving that'll lead underneath the new canopy, which we'll start to see in the next update. We'll get another good view of this from the roof in a bit. Just in case you missed the last update, where we unveiled the new Cafe Shalom, here it is. We've got a brand new space for residents, families, and friends to come get their ice cream. The similar decor to the gift shop we were just in. This is open for business. On the 4th floor, which you can easily identify from our construction partition, separates us from the occupied areas. We have completed our demolition, which will be for the new med storage, nursing rec therapy, and bathing suite, and staff lockers. Demolition, and what will eventually be the new area. Inside you can see the demolition is well underway. In our next steps, we'll do a little bit of upgrades to the mechanicals above ceiling, build some new walls, rough those walls in with electric, and then we'll begin the drywall. Here you see a negative air machine, which takes the air from within the construction area, filters it, and passes it out a window, keeping all of the dust within the construction area for infection control. Let's go up to the penthouse. Here we are in the penthouse mechanical room, where we have a new fan coil unit going in, and once that's up and running, the old fan coil unit will come out. A lot of work taking place in this very tight environment. We have temporary exhaust hooked up so that we can have access from the back door, and we have tons of material waiting to get installed as the enabling phase for the remainder of the tower renovations. Pretty exciting stuff up here, to be honest. As promised, here's a nice aerial view of the work we're doing at the main entrance. We're currently installing the new storm system. Once that's complete, right here where this big dump truck is, we're going to start installing the new canopy, which I think everybody is going to be very impressed with. Let's look at the rest of the site. And here we have a nice view of the greenhouses from the tower roof, where our windows are installed and our siding's going up. We'll take a walk down and get a closer look at the siding, which we're completing on the back side of the buildings first. Then we'll take a look at progress indoors. As you can easily see when you drive in the main entrance off of Winton Road, we've got some siding and windows installed. This is greenhouse number 1, or 2005 Winton Road South. And for a frame of reference, there's the tower. Let's get inside and have a look at progress. Here in the greenhouse, we've completed our first working mock-up of the shower floors. Our tiles installed, our trench drain is in, and we borrowed a wheelchair to make sure that the pitch meets the requirements of the residents that will one day occupy this space. Here we are in the last area, in our last building. The drywall's hung, the ceilings are framed, the mechanicals are in and tested, and we've started finishing the drywall to get it ready for paint. Until next time, have a safe day.